Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be deep conditioning with my Girl in Hair Curl Cloud Ultimate Hydrating Hair Mask for curly and kinky hair, and I'm going to be using my new brush from the Coil Brush. Stay tuned. So I absolutely love this hair mask. I have used it several times before. This mask contains pimento oil, castor oil, and tea tree oil. The pimento oil is an antioxidant for scalp health. The castor oil promotes hair growth. The tea tree oil is an anti-inflammatory. And this mask literally has amazing slip. It's very moisturizing. Definitely recommend it. I will leave all of the information for you to purchase this mask in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. So I'm going in with my new tool from the Coil Brush, and this is the Combo Brush. It is a handheld brush that can be used on hair or beards. It has 7 flexible rows of rounded tip bristles that allows the brush to easily glide through your hair. And this brush is a bomb detangler. The Coil Brush also offers a detangling brush and a fingertip hairbrush. I will also link the information to that in the description box as well. Deep conditioning is definitely a priority in my hair care regimen. I deep condition weekly. I use either steam or heat each time I deep condition because of my low porosity hair. It's a very important step, so if you are not deep conditioning, make sure that you add that to your hair care regimen. Some of the main benefits for deep conditioning are that it prevents hair damage, it promotes elasticity, it nourishes and strengthens the hair, restores the hair's pH balance, and it also maintains your moisture levels. So let me know in the comments how often you deep condition and what your favorite deep conditioner is. Also let me know whether you use steam or heat when you deep condition. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.